Hi everyone, welcome back to the Altium Develop series. Secure visibility is not about trust, it's about controlling visibility, traceability, and revocation. As hardware teams are scaling, security becomes harder, not easier. So Altium Develop enables collaboration without losing control. So let's start with the security architecture. So security architecture have different layers in the Altium Develop. So first one is role-based access control, which we call RBAC. And the second one is data boundaries. Third one is controlled disclosure. And the fourth one is auditability and revocation. So we will bound our discussion to the RBAC, role-based access control. In this security architecture, the designer or the viewer or some a reviewer or some person is only allowed access to some specific task, like the designer. If we are going to give him a designing task, so we will give him the editing option, so he can come to our workspace and make changes in the project and update it. And we can assign different role to some other engineer if we have to review the design, so we will give the task to some other engineer to just view the design, so he can highlight and comment, the review points can be mentioned, so he can download it and the schematics and check it out, so but he can't edit the design. So, in this way, we can assign different roles to different engineers and invite them to our specific project, not the whole workspace. So, let's discuss this. How can we do this? By using a simple example. Let me open this project. Let's open this two channel oscilloscope project. And here you can see a simple schematics over here with multiple sheets are there, and open it in the Altium Designer Develop. And when it is opened in the Altium Develop, and open the sheet over here and see the comments are mentioned in the Altium Designer Develop, already mentioned over here. So let's share this project. As you can see, well, by clicking on the three dots, you can share this project to some person. I'm sharing it to this person, so he can edit this project. On the right side, you can change the accessibility to this person, so he can edit this project, because I am assigning the design task to him. So for this, we have to give him the edit access. So click on the share option. When I check this box, invite these peoples to the workspace, and click on the share, so he will be invited to our workspace. Uh, Keep note of this. He will be invited to the whole workspace, not just the this project. If we uncheck that box and invite that person, then that person is just uh, we are giving the only the project access to that person. Here you can see the administrator checkbox. If you click it, then that person can also allow access to some other person. But we don't want this, so uncheck this box and invite that person. Just wait for a few minutes, few seconds. And that project is now shared to the designer, so he can join and come to our workspace and do the editing to this project. So what he can do is he can come to the workspace and open that project in his Altium Designer Develop software in his PC. And let me give you a simple example. He can, as I can move this uh, capacitor, like, because I have given myself with another account to this editing option. That's why I am able to change the position of the capacitor. But if I was allowed to only view this, then I can't move the capacitor. I can just view. So let's take an example of just a view visibility. Then write the name of the person you want to give him the view visibility only. Note the editing option, editing access, and share this project. And let's open in the Altium develop. Let's say that some person have some other account. So let me log in from another account to which I have given only the viewer access. I signed out from my previous account and let me sign into another account in which we have only the viewer access. Click on the sign in option and it will take you to the Chrome page and write the password, email address. Yeah, and password saved on my Google account, and click on sign in option, and I am now signed in to another account in which I have only the viewer access. Then we will see I can't even move the capacitor. Let me go to the workspace in which I have been invited. So now, so let's click on, let me cross this. So let's click on this capacitor and try to move this capacitor. It will not be, we cannot even move this capacitor. So it's not moving. So it means I have only the viewer access. So I can also check the accessibility that which is granted to me by going into the workspace and see what is shared with me. And I have the only edit option, edit accessibility or viewer accessibility. So I have only the viewer accessibility. So in this way, we can assign different roles to different engineers, like editor or like viewer only. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and follow us for the upcoming videos.